Hello, everyone. Today we will learn about the types of machine learning in a very simple way. Machine learning is how computers learn from data and improve over time. There are three main types of machine learning. First is supervised learning. In this type, the computer learns from labeled data. This means the correct answers are already given. For example, we show many pictures of cats and dogs with labels, and the computer learns to identify them. Second is unsupervised learning. In this type, the computer is given data without labels. It finds patterns and groups on its own. For example, it can group similar customers based on their behavior. Third is reinforcement learning. In this type, the computer learns by trial and error. It gets rewards for correct actions and penalties for mistakes. Over time, it learns the best way to perform a task. So, these are the three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Thank you for watching.